I'm curious as to the type of the reaction that businesses or private users, as you mentioned, refer to them, have when you come up to them and say, hey, we want to give you a piece of software and use part of your computing power, and you get a reward. What is the reaction that usually like people do? They're like, oh my god, I'm never gonna install, are you gonna like mine on my computer, or are you gonna like attack me, or you're gonna steal my, like what's the initial reaction that you get?
Sure. Well, the desktop version of our software has had about 600,000 users sign up to it so far. So, and that's installed in over 140 countries. So they're quite comfortable with that application. We've got various mining farms running our other, mining farm version of the software, and they see it as a brand new revenue stream, and they're already used to running those type of applications. And then data centers, that is our background. We have everything in place to match the way that they work generally as a business anyway. So for them, they see it as kind of a new bottom line revenue that's improving their efficiency. So, we've been building this for nearly 5 years now. So there's a lot of progress on that side.